Welcome back to our channel. Here we bring you the latest trend in home decor and design. In today's video, we will be focusing on modern bedroom lighting ideas that will help you create a stylish and cozy ambience in your space. Whether you are looking for a functional lighting or a decorative elements, we have got you covered. Let's dive in. Our first modern bedroom lighting ideas is overhead lighting. Installing a sleek and contemporary ceiling fixture can instantly elevate the overall look of your bedroom. Consider option for recessed lights or statement pendant light to add a touch of elegance and sophistication. Next up, we have task lighting. Task lighting is essential for functional purpose, such as reading or working in bed. Incorporating modern recyclable lamps or wall-mounted reading light can provide targeted illumination for specific activities. Ambient lighting, moving on, let's talk about the ambient lighting. This type of lighting helps establish the overall mood and atmosphere of the bedroom. One popular choice for modern bedroom is the use of an LED strips or recessed light to create a soft and indirect glow. Now let's explore decorative lighting option. Modern bedroom often incorporate unique and eye-catching lighting fixtures that double as statement pieces. Pendant lights, chandeliers, or even a series of decorative wall sconces can instantly transform your space into a contemporary haven. Lastly, let's delve into the world of smart lighting. With the advancement in technology, you can now control your bedroom lighting with just a few taps on your smartphone or voice command. A smart lighting system allows you to adjust the brightness, color temperature, and even create personalized lighting schedule. And there you have it, modern bedroom lighting ideas to inspire your next door project from overhead lighting to smart lighting system. Remember, play a crucial role in setting the ambience and mood so don't underestimate its power. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this ideas helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration. Thank you for your watching and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.